Alrighty. What's up, everybody? Sorry I'm a couple minutes late. I wanted to start a few minutes ago. How's it going? We are live and we're doing some more ACT math. Now, just a caveat. I just had to sort of update my computer and take off Wirecast and upload it again or install it again and set this whole thing up. That delayed me a little bit. I'm really hoping that there's no crashes. So I wasn't using it for a while. I was using Game Show, which is not as good, but same company. And because it kept crashing in the middle, so I'm back. I'm trying it again. Hopefully now I installed some updates and reconfigured it. Fingers crossed this is good because I know it's just much better quality. It looks way cleaner. All right, we're doing more ACT math, continuing on pre-algebra. Now we're continuing for 35 through 51. I got a comment today. Somebody said they were really enjoying the slower pace, and I'm so glad to have the variety and sort of help everybody. All right, here we go. The cost of renting a certain car from Ace Rentals is $30 for the first day or any part thereof, and $20 for the second day or any part thereof, and $15 for each additional day or any part thereof after the second day. Okay. If Amanda rents a car 11:45 on Tuesday and returns the car 5:45 on Saturday, how much is the total cost? So we'd go Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So it would be 30 the first day, 20 the second day, 15 the third day, 15 the fourth day, 15 the fifth day. Wait, hold on. I got to think about this for a second. For the first day or any part thereof. So she's doing like part of the day. So she's getting charged the full day for Tuesday, and she's getting charged the full day for Saturday, I believe. That's what this is making me think. So it's not like, hold on, I got to think for a second. 1, 2, would it be like a full day, a full day, a full day, a full day, and then another day because it's part? Yeah, I think this is right. I think this is the right setup. So we've got 30, 50, plus another 30, 60, 80, $95. I'm going to roll with 95. We'll check at the end, make sure that's right. 5.7 times 10 to the k equals this. What is the value of k? All right, so to get this is actually pretty easy. We have to move so think about the decimal was here. We have to move it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. So it's 10 to the 5th. That's just scientific notation. 5.7 times, and you can actually plug it into your calculator and verify that, but it will be right. I should do it anyways. 5.7 times 10 to the 5th equals 570,000. All right, cool. Next, Anthony must choose from among 35 different flavors of ice cream and 20 different flavors of toppings. If Anthony can select one of each from the ice cream cone, how many different combinations are possible? Just multiply these two. 35 times 20 is 700. Okay. Next is 38. A level building is built into the side of a steeply sloped hill. For every 100 feet of horizontal distance, the hill rises 12 feet. If the ground is 3 feet high at the back of the if the ground is 3 feet higher at the back of the building. Oh, I get it. Oh, so this is the slope. This is a hill, and as it goes across 100, it goes up 12. And a level building, so the building is like, that doesn't even make sense. Okay, so for every 100 feet, the hill rise. If the ground is 3 feet higher at the back of the building, oh, I get it. So here it is. Then at the front, oh, it's actually built on the slant. That's so weird. So then they're saying that this distance here, if we go to the front, would be 3 feet. What is the horizontal depth of the building? What? Okay, so I think they want this value because we don't know how tall it is. I think they want the horizontal depth. They want like the width or whatever because that's the only thing I can figure out. If we can make a ratio because these are two similar right triangles. What a weird question. 12 over 100 equals 3 over x. Cross multiply, and it becomes 300 equals 12x. Divide by 12, divide by 12. is 25. Okay, so x equals 25. So this value down here is 25. And then I believe we have to use Pythagorean theorem to get this value. Unless they just mean this value. Hold on, let's see. I'll do Pythagorean theorem and see what I get. 625. What's the square root of 634? It's none of these. I don't think it's an exact thing, but let's see. Square root of 634 equals, yeah, it's definitely just 25. It's just such a weirdly phrased problem. Okay, Pauline is looking into purchasing a new washer and dryer combination for her home. At the store, there are 20 different models. By the way, that question, I've never seen anything like it on any of the like actual College Board ACT stuff. So I'm not so sure something like that will actually show up. Plus, I've never seen it on the real ACT either. Pauline is looking into purchasing a new washer dryer combination for her home. At the store, there are 20 different models available, and each is compatible with all of the 16 different models available for the dryer. How many different combinations? So again, we have 20 of one, 16 of the other, and they can mix and match. How many different? When they want this, we just multiply. 20 of these, 16 of these, it's 320. Next, which of the following is true about any two odd numbers? Their quotient is even. Not necessarily, because 3 divided by 3 is 1. Well, let's do different. 9 divided by 3, let's say, is 1. Their quotient is odd, no, because we can do 6 divided by 3 is 2. Their product is even, no. Product is always odd. The product is odd. Their sum is always even, 2 odds. So that's wrong. But you could test it out, like I did. Next is a survey at a seminar for people interested in applying for membership at a fitness center. Asked the 25 respondents how many days the past week they'd exercised. 25 are summarized below. All right, so it's 0 they did exercise 0 days, said 3. Here, I'll write the numbers up top. I usually like to do this. 3, 5, 2, 1, 4, 5, 3, 2. And it said add up to 20, right? 25. What percent of the respondents exercise fewer than 4 days? So that'd just be this. So 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 5 is 8 plus 3 is 11. So 11 out of 25 and equals what percent out of 100? But I know this. It's just 44 because you can multiply top and bottom by 4 and get 44 out of 100. What is the average arithmetic mean of the number of days in the past week that the 25 respondents exercised? Okay. This is actually a bigger problem than you think. So we'd have to do 3 times 0 plus 5 times 1, right? We're at like 3 people answered 0, so it's 3 zeros plus 5 ones plus 2 twos, right? And multiplying this times this, basically, plus 3 ones plus 4 fours plus 5 fives plus 3 sixes, 6 threes, whatever, 3 sixes, plus same thing, plus 2 sevens. Okay, let's see if I can do it mentally. That's 0. 5 plus 4 is 9. 12 plus 16 is 28. Plus 25 is 53. 63, 71, 85. So it's 85 divided by 25. It's 3.4. At a conference on better eating, excuse me, the speaker asked members of the audience to fill out a questionnaire regarding their eating habits. 25 responded. Summarize the number of times the audience members had eaten red meat in the past week. 7 plus indicates 7 or more times. Okay. What is the average number of times in the past week that the 25 responding audience members consumed red meat? Can't be determined because we can't do this with a 7 plus. How do we even factor that into a mean calculation? So it's actually one of the rare times where this is the right answer. All right, next. What is the median number of times that the 25 responding audience members consume red meat? This can be determined. It's just the middle value. So it'd be wherever the 13th value is. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 occurs here, so the median is 3. And just so you can see that that's true, I'll do this side as well. 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 falls in here. So the median can be determined, and it is 3. All right, next. What fraction of the audience members consume red meat at least twice in the past week? Oh, what? At least twice. So including 2. So it would be 4, 5, 6, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 out of 25. Ta-da. All right, 40. We're almost there. 47. Let's see if I have any questions here. No, the ACT and SAT math are not that different. I mean, they are different, and I'll go into, it's super zoomed in. I can go into how they're different after I finish these problems, but they're not that different. To build a certain house, it took 5 tons of wood and, well, actually, there are some significant differences now that but let me get into it in a second. So we've got, it took 5 tons of wooden beams, 3 tons of stone. Hold on, it's too zoomed in. 3 tons of stone and 1 ton of miscellaneous materials. Each ton of wood costs 65. Okay. So 5 times 6,500. That's the wood. Each ton of stone costs 8,000. 3 times 8,000. And each ton of miscellaneous materials costs 10,000. That's just 10,000. How many dollars did it cost the materials to build the house? So this is just basic addition, arithmetic problem. So that's 30,000 plus 2,500 is 32,500. It's 24,000 plus 10,000. Oops. I don't know why I put that line there. Hold on. 10,000. And we got 0, 0, 5, 6, 6, 66,500. I think I got all that stuff in there. All right, next. If p is any positive integer, then that is always divisible by what? Okay, so check it out. 15p minus 6p is 9p. Therefore, it's always divisible by 9. That's it. Because we got a 9 in front of it. It has to be divisible by 9. During a severe drought, a reservoir contains only 100,000 gallons of water. Each gallon of water weighs 8.5 pounds. Which of the following is close to the weight of the water in the reservoir during a severe drought in pounds? 8.5 times that, which is 850,000. I mean, that's pretty straightforward. I'm suspicious, right? Did I miss something? Hey, what's up? Ola Hazem. I bought the book at a bookstore, Barnes & Nobles. 49. 50. If Q is any, 2 left. If Q is any positive integer, then the sum of these, and these is always divisible by what? All right, add them up. And then we'll see whatever the coefficient is. 2 plus 4 is 6 plus 5 is 11. Q divisible by 11. That's it. Last one. If Jonathan is selling vintage albums to a rare music dealer, he earned $20 for each of the first 3 vintage he sold. For each of the first 3, then he earned 32 for the next 5 vintage albums. What was the average amount that he earned on all 8? So we do 60 plus 160 equals 220. And then the average we divide it by 8. Let's do the calculator. 220 equals 2750. Yay, my computer didn't crash. That's a new one for Wirecast. I was getting pretty upset with Wirecast, but maybe it's good now. Hold on. I gotta check. I hope I didn't speak too soon and it crashes now. Let's see. Hold on. Where is the math? Here we go. Okay. Let's check it real quick. Okay, 35 is BJEG. BJEG. 39 is DJBH. DJBH. Gotta see that one that I was a little confused about if I see it. Oh, I missed 43. Oops. Hold on, let me do 43 real quick. I didn't see the answer, so this will be legit. I must have skipped it. All right, if A is an even integer and B is an odd integer, which of the following must be true? this is not true because 2 times 3 is 6. 2 plus 3 is odd. No, 2 plus 3 is even. That's wrong. It's odd. 2 minus 3 is odd. Yeah, this is probably true. A over B is even. No, not at all. Because it could be like, it's not even going to be an integer. If one's even and one's odd. I mean, it could be, I guess. 50. Let me think of an example. Hold on. 52 and 13 would be 4. What is this B over A? So it doesn't have to be. This is wrong. I'm pretty sure this is right. And then even, I can disprove the fact that it has to be even. Let's see. Well, I could do just 2 and 3. Again, it's not even because it's not even an integer. So it's got to be C. Let me see. Yeah, it's C. All right. All right. 44. KBJA. KBJA. And then 48 is GAJD. All right, good. I got them all right. I know there was one that was bizarre. I can't remember which one it was. That weird, with the weird diagram on the hill. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one was, the wording was confusing, but I thought it was probably all right. Okay. That is it, my friends, for this live stream. Like I said, pretty happy that it didn't crash. And I'm going to try again Wirecast tomorrow with the longer live stream. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And please like this video if you did enjoy it and found it useful. And leave me a comment if you want to ask any additional questions that I didn't answer. Again, thanks so much for the support. It's really helpful. I'm almost at 5,000, which I cannot believe. And I'm so excited about to keep making more content. I got a new math music video coming out later this week, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much. Best of luck in all your test prep, and I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy.